continuing our exploring today, and the weather's a little nasty outside, as in it rained a lot last night and we're supposed to have rain this morning. So I said it's a great day for an indoor adventure. We're going to a potato museum. Have y'all ever been to a potato museum? Put it in the comments below, because I never even thought about going to a potato museum until I came here. Now, did you know that Prince Edward's Island is the largest producer of potatoes in the entire Providence? Country, actually. Danny
Canada.
says it's the entire
World.
Canada.
The universe.
And Prince Edward's Island is the largest producer. And I guess that's why they have the Potato Museum. Let's explore.
I'll take mine baked.
You want yours baked? I do hear they have samples that you get to eat, which will be really good. In case you don't know us and you're new to the channel, I'm Lynn.
And I'm Danny,
Welcome to RV America.
the original RV America.
We are about to officially enter the Potato Museum.
Something we learned. The smallest province in Canada, Prince Edward Island, grows the most potatoes of any other province. Out of the 10 provinces, they grow the most here. You would think it's Alberta near Idaho, but no, it's right here on this island, on the eastern side of Canada. Listen, you might not think about coming to a museum like this, but don't be a potato hater.
That was a really different experience. Our very first time at the Potato Museum. What'd y'all think?
It was interesting. For instance, it told about the different potatoes in water. I thought that was interesting.
Kind of stuffed like stuffed potatoes, right?
And
kind
just
of
so you
stuff?
know, if you ever come here, they do have a restaurant there. I don't know if Danny got any video of it or not, but they do have a restaurant there, and it has all things potato-y in it. It was pretty cool. I enjoyed the side of it that was more for the community than I did the potato side, just because it's farm equipment, you know. But it was just a cool place. Cool stopover, right?
Right.
Yeah,
I wanted a tater.
So here's the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. The lady at the
Welcome Center.
Welcome Center that we went to told us this was the beach that had goats that played on it all the time, and that if we could come down here, it would be really cool.
Because we could even swim with them.
You could even swim with the goats or whatever. Guess the goats don't like the sun. Or maybe they're against Southerners. I don't know. I don't see any goats. Do y'all see any goats? Danny, do you see goats?
I see a billy goat.
Hey,
Wait, Tommy. Not you.
So we are in a place called the Bottle House Garden, and everything out here is made out of discarded bottles. I guess bottles of every shape, size, color, everything. It's all a little different. I will say, I really think that there's a lot of work that goes into a place like this. Not only was it work making, but y'all know how much dust collects. The housekeeper in me goes, these bottles aren't dusty, which means someone comes through here and dusts these bottles at some point in time. So they've got the garden to maintain, and then they've also got the bottles themselves to keep dust free and everything. That's a lot of work. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked this video. And if you want to see more in the future, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you won't miss anything. Until next time, God bless and many safe travels.
And go RV, America.